Magandang araw mga ka-aerial defense, may ibabahagi na naman ako sa inyo. Dahil ngayong araw na ito ay may pag-uusapan tayo tungkol sa depensa, Pilipinas muling hinamon ang monster ship ng China malapit sa Mindoro. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag mo muna kalimutan mag-like, share and subscribe. Manatiling nakatutok sa aming channel para updated ka sa balitang militar at West Philippine Sea. Ang barko ng China Coast Guard o CCG-5901 na kilala rin bilang monster ship, ay lumipat malapit sa Lubang Island sa Occidental Mindoro noong Lunes ng umaga. Ayon sa Philippine Coast Guard, hinamon ng PCG ang presensya ng CCG sa paggigiit na nasa loob ng Philippine EEZ ang barko.
I'm performing law enforcement duties on the jurisdictional waters of the People's Republic of China. The so-called award for the South China Sea arbitration is illegal and invalid. China neither accept it or recognize it. China firmly upholds its territorial sovereignty and maritime rights and interests in the South China Sea and adheres to managing maritime secrets through dialogue and consultation. I hope you will safeguard peace and stability in the South China Sea and maintain mutual trust and cooperation between our countries with concrete action. Over.
China Coast Guard 5901 under Republic Act 1206 for Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea, and the 2016 Arbitral Award, you do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to depart immediately and to notify us of your intention. China Coast Guard 5901 under Republic Act 1206 for Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea, and the 2016 Arbitral Award, you do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to depart immediately and to notify us of your intentions. To China Coast Guard 5901, this is Philippine Coast Guard vessel BRP Cobra MRV 4409. We are reminding you that you are within 57 nautical miles west of Capones Point, Zambales, inside the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. Please leave this area immediately. Over.
Sinabi ni Tariela na sa ngayon ay wala pang hinaharas ng barko ng China ang mga mangingisdang Pinoy sa lugar. Unang namataan ang halimaw na barko sa layong 54 nautical miles mula sa Capones Island, Zambales noong Sabado. Ito ay nasa loob ng 200 nautical mile exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas. Bilang tugon, ipinakalat ng PCG ang BRP Cobra, isang helicopter, at ang PCG Caravan upang suriin ang barko ng China. Ayon sa PCG, ang pagkakaroon ng barko ng China ay isang paraan para takutin ang mga mangingisdang Pilipino. Napanatili ng pinakamalaking Coast Guard vessel ng China ang illegal na presensya nito sa exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas, at hindi pinansin ang mga kahilingang umalis sa lugar. Sinabi ng Philippine Coast Guard noong Lunes, ang BRP Cobra ng PCG ay patuloy na sinusundan ang mga galaw ng China Coast Guard, kung saan ang parehong mga sasakyang pandagat ay iginigiit ang pag-angkin sa teritoryo ng bawat isa sa pamamagitan ng mga hamon sa radyo. Bilang tugon, sinabi ng barko ng China na ito ay gumaganap ng mga tungkulin sa pagpapatupad ng batas sa mga nasasakupan na tubig ng People's Republic of China, na ibinasura ang desisyon ng 2016 South China Sea Arbitration bilang illegal at invalid. Sinabi ni Tariela na susuportahan ng isang Islander aircraft ang BRP Cobra upang idokumento ang anumang potensyal na insidente, kabilang ang intentional na pagrampa ng CCG vessel, at matiyak na ang mga agarang rescue operation ay maaaring simulan kung kinakailangan.
Yes, Sir Peter, no? Actually, this is our third day now, no? na binubuntutan, minomonitor ng Philippine Coast Guard, BRP Cabra at ship, no? Since we learned 3 days ago, basically, no, na the Chinese Coast Guard 5901 or known as Monster Ship ay napalapit sa Capones Island, Zambales. Ang ating pong commandant, Admiral Ronnie Hilgavan, was decisive enough to deploy one Coast Guard vessel, that is BRP Cabra, together with our aircraft to confirm and monitor itong galaw ng China Coast Guard na to.
Yeah.
So the other day and yesterday, we have been following and actively monitoring yung galaw na to. And as we speak right now, ang BRP Cabra ay patuloy pa rin binubuntutan itong China Coast Guard Monster Ship. Based on the last monitoring, they came close now as far as 18 nautical miles from Lubang Island, Occidental Mindoro.
Okay, just for clarity's sake, ang monster ship na ito ba po ay nasa EEZ o talagang teritoryo ng Pilipinas yung kung saan siya nagsisail ngayon?
Well, basically, Sir Peter, it is within the Philippines' exclusive economic zone.
Okay.
But the problem is, for China, what they're doing is a legitimate maritime law enforcement, and they're claiming that they have jurisdiction in these waters to carry out the patrol.
Yeah.
Kaya sinasabi nga ng Philippine Coast Guard vessel, we are challenging that and telling them and reminding them na based on the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea, and the 2016 Arbitral Award, the Chinese government does not have authority to patrol or to carry out maritime law enforcement patrol dito sa EEZ natin because we have sovereign rights over these waters.
Ano po ba ginagawa nila, Commodore? Sila po ba ay bumabaybay doon sa, di ba meron naman pong mga bahagi ng karagatan na free zone, kung tawagin na pwede nga pong daanan ng kung sino. Ganun po ba ginagawa nila? Parang ginagawa sa EDSA, napapasok sandali doon sa EEZ ng Pilipinas, di ba? Tapos lalabas, sabihin na, pastro lang naman ako, sumingit lang naman ako. Ganun po ba yung ginagawa nitong monster ship?
Well, ma'am, hindi ganito yung ginagawa nila, no? Una sa lahat, you cannot classify this as innocent passage. No? Kasi ang binabaybay niya ay hindi siya continuous, hindi siya expeditious, kundi pabalik-balik lang siya. From Zambales, northern Zambales to Mindoro, and then back to Bajo de Masinloc. And pangalawa, for China, they are claiming na what they're doing is a legitimate maritime patrol. Sinasabi nila na ang Coast Guard nila doon ay merong jurisdiction para magpatrolya sa loob ng exclusive economic zone natin. So they're even actually claiming, no, na hindi talaga ito innocent passage. What they're doing is a maritime patrol. At yun nga ang china-challenge ng Coast Guard vessel natin, na what they're doing is actually illegal.
Yun pong ginagawa nilang hindi pagsagot sa mga radio challenge ng BRP Cabra. Ano po ang ibig sabihin nito, Commodore? Maari ba natin itong i-interpret as hindi naman threat, no? Kundi talagang pagdedma lang sa ating mga ini-issue sa kanila?
Well, una sa lahat, no, sumasagot naman sila, ma'am, no? But they are countering our challenge, our radio challenge. Tayo naman ang sina-challenge nila. Sinasabi nila they have the jurisdiction to do the patrol. And how are we going to interpret this? Alam naman natin, kahit gaano pa in different parts of the West Philippine Sea, the Chinese government has blatantly violated the international law, disregarded the arbitral award, and continuously violating the United Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea. This is just a clear show for the People's Republic of China as a bully and doesn't care about the international.
Para sa mas madaming update tungkol sa ating depensa, paki-follow at like muna ng aming page na nasa description na ang link. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan mag-like, share and subscribe. Pindutin mo na rin ang bell para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong video. Maraming salamat po.